Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today we're going to be making pesto chicken pasta. As you can see, these are the ingredients we're going to be using. I have already gone ahead and prepared them. Okay, let's get going. Okay, let's start with making our pesto sauce. We're going to put our pesto and spinach first. Pack it nicely. All right, get all this in here. Don't be shy. This machine is going to get it just the way we want. So you pack it nicely. This is a very powerful processor. All right, we're going to add our almonds instead of pine nuts. Normally you would use pine nuts. We're going to use almonds. Okay, sliced almonds. Okay, fresh garlic cloves. Okay, we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Okay, let's just get that in there. I just want to make sure it goes in nicely. Okay, wonderful. Just kind of shake that around a little bit, get it evenly. All right, and now we're going to add a little salt and pepper. All right, and then we're going to add our oil, olive oil. Okay, great. All right. Okay, I packed it nicely with that oil. Just going to drop a little bit of water just to get that friction going. Excellent. Then we're going to seal it. Let's see how this goes. All right, here we go. All right, let's get that. Okay guys, here we have it. Let's open it up, give it a taste, and see what we need to do to get it where we want it. That's perfect. Look at that. Let's see if it's gonna... Oh, that's delicious. Okay. Let's just add a little more salt and pepper. Everything else seems to be just where we want it. Okay everybody, this is our pesto. I mixed it. It's a nice consistency. It'll coat nicely. This is perfect. Okay, now we're gonna prepare our chicken. Okay, let's season our chicken with salt and pepper nicely. Both sides. And then we're going to, there we go. Don't be shy, we want to flavor our chicken nicely, okay? That's wonderful. Salt and pepper, and that's going to help when we mix it all together. Everything will be nicely coming together, seasoned. Excellent. All right, that's about right. That's what you want. As you can see, we're going to put some oil in our pan, and we're going to fully cook our chicken breast. Boneless chicken breast. Okay? All right. Okay guys, as you can see, my chicken's almost there. Keep in mind, I already have my water boiling for my pasta. Okay, look at this beautiful chicken. Nice color. We're going to put this aside now. And then we're going to prepare our pasta. Look at that. Okay, our pasta is ready to go. It's just the way we want it, al dente. So now we're going to put it. It's pretty warm. Okay, this is what you want. Wow, it's kind of hot. Excuse me. That's what we want. Now we're going to take our nice chicken, get that in there nicely. All right, wonderful. All right, now we're going to put our wonderful sauce that we made. Remember this? Yes, the pesto. This is what we want. Yes. Oh, this looks great. Let's toss that in nicely, fold it in. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys, this looks and smells delicious. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. This is what you want. Okay. Here you have it. Let's plate this up and serve. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a serious pesto here. I'm telling you, this is a powerful flavor. Here you see our pan sauteed chicken right there. I laid it out because the chicken was covered with a nice pesto sauce, coated nicely. I just want you to get that nice flavor with the chicken. Thanks guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.